What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry, and today we're outside in my small backyard garden where I'm going to be showing you guys a few of the melon plants that I have growing. So stick around and find out what's got me all excited. Let's get it. Alright, I appreciate you guys hanging out with your boy. If you hadn't done so already, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and help your boy grow. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first melon plant that I have growing, and I'll show you how it all got started. Let's go. Alright, so this area right here, this is the area where I had my compost bin. And if you see right here, this is the first, I believe this is a honeydew melon. And it's probably ready to harvest, but I'm not going to harvest it just yet. I'll give it another week or two, and we'll go from there. So this one here, it wasn't a intentional planting. This is where I had my compost bin at, and if you notice, a couple of things came up out of here. Like I showed you, had this melon come up. We also have a tomato plant that's popping up out of there. Pepper plant popped up, and so forth. But out of here, I've only got one melon that's popped up, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a honeydew. Now, let me show you guys the next melon patch that grew up. This one also is one that I didn't actually plant. But if you come on in here, so this is one of the melons that's growing. I'm gonna have to take that, and I don't know, I'm gonna have to put it on a sling or something. That way it don't fall off. We already had one detached from the vine, so I'm gonna have to put a hammock or something up there, or put it on the ground. So I'll do that. And like I said, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for these to grow, but it started growing and I'm gonna let it grow. Now I left this one over here. This is the one that I was telling you guys. It was the first one that started growing, and it came off of the vine. So that other one over there, I'm gonna have to do something about it. And I got a few more going, so come on up in here. Let's take a look. Where is it at? Got one right here growing. See how that's gonna work. And I think it's one more that's growing over here. This one right here might actually make it. It's pretty big. Look at that. Boy, I got some melons growing. Even another one starting to flower right there. And I just broke it off. So that's all good. But yeah, your boy got some melons. So that's one. And then there is another one back over here in this bin. Here it go right here. So I got one more that's growing. Don't know if that one's gonna make it, but what I've been doing, I just been coming out here adding water to it. That's pretty much it. So, like I said, these two plants right here, I didn't actually plant. They just kind of came up on their own. So, you know, I couldn't kill them off, so I just started watering them. Let me show you the next one. Now, this plant right here, this melon plant, I actually planted it right here intentionally because of the way another one was growing. This is a black diamond, and on this black diamond, you know, I just been watering it, and I don't have anything really growing off of it yet, I don't believe. I'll check it when I get to the end. But yeah, so I just put the plant at the end of this raised bed, and I kind of been guiding the vines all the way up and down, if you see how I've done that. So I've just been guiding them here. And just real quick, look at my sweet potato plant. This is just a little old test that I did. I put some slips in a 5-gallon bucket, and it's doing better than I thought it was doing. No, it don't have nothing to do with no melon or nothing like that, but hey, that's it. So let's take a look at, like I said, this is my black diamond that I actually planted. This is the one of the 4 that I actually planted. And if we come on down this way, I don't think I have any. This right here, there's another honeydew, which I know is ready to harvest. Now this one I didn't plant. I just remember earlier on in the year, I noticed a plant was growing up, And you know, I didn't want to get rid of it or nothing, so I just let it grow. And I guided the vines the same way I did this one. So I got this one honeydew plant that's got a melon. I think it's ready. This got to be ready because it's pretty much the size that they're going to be when you get them from the store. At least when we buy them, that's the size. Check this out. This is from the black diamond. That vine grew all the way from the other end, all the way down here just to throw one watermelon. So you know your boy gonna wait on that one. And look at here. This is the one that's got me excited. Now this is a honeydew. I don't know what these honeydews cost at the store. Maybe about $5, $6 a piece. Well, I got 3 of them going, and I'm about to harvest one of them right now. Right now, Mr. Right now. Let's see, so I'm just gonna do it like that. I'm not sure exactly. This is the first time I'm actually harvesting a melon, so I'm just gonna cut it right there. We'll pick it up and see. That boy, that pretty big. My first honeydew melon. About as big as my head. I don't have a big head, or do it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I appreciate you hanging out with your boy. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Holla at your boy.